The power of meditation. A popular misconception that a lot of people have is that meditation is simply about closing your eyes and doing breathing techniques for several minutes a day, and that's it. However, what these people aren't aware of is that meditation is much more than that. It changes your perspective on life by increasing awareness of yourself and allowing you to direct all the negative thoughts that plague your mind. Welcome to Health Yard. Today, we are going to take a look at 5 health benefits of meditation. 5. It helps in controlling pain. Meditation has actually been used as a part of pain management plans for decades. For example, according to one study that consisted of 6,400 participants with post-surgical or chronic pain, it has been found that meditation was very beneficial for reducing their pain. This is not saying that meditation is a cure for pain and can replace painkillers. People who meditate and people who don't both experience the same pain, however, mediators are able to cope with the pain in a better way. 4. It helps with insomnia. One of the worst feelings we experience on a regular basis is that, after a long, grueling, and tiring day of work, we're still not able to fall asleep immediately. It even gets to a point where we end up lying in beds for hours on end without catching any sleep due to insomnia. If you've ever experienced this, it's recommended to give meditation a try. According to several studies, they prove that meditation has a drastic effect on people with insomnia and can lead to a good night's sleep. Number 3. It helps in the fight against addiction. When the word addiction is mentioned, there are many people that think addiction is about alcohol or drug addiction. However, addiction can be about anything. Not being able to stop yourself from drinking coffee every morning is one type of addiction, for example. So, how can meditation help in the fight against addiction? Meditation, without a doubt, isn't a substitute for rehab in cases of drug or alcohol addiction. But the way meditation works in breaking dependencies is by improving self-control and showing people how to redirect their attention onto something other than the addiction and control their impulses. Number 2. It improves concentration. Having a short attention span isn't something that only kids have. Adults also can suffer from a short attention span and lack of concentration. And this is where meditation comes into play. Meditation is like weight training for your memory and attention span. It increases the strength and endurance of your attention to help you maintain it. Number 1. It helps with anxiety. Anxiety and stress are two problems that go hand in hand, and if not treated, they can lead to depression and negatively affect your mental health. Luckily, meditation and mindfulness have proven to help with anxiety, which will lower stress levels as well. It has been found that meditation is most effective in people with high levels of anxiety, as it drastically lowers anxiety and its symptoms. That's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Health Yard for more health-related content, and click on the notification bell below to be notified whenever we upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.